Firstly, let's discuss the remarkable abilities of humans. We are a product of millions of years of evolution, and our abilities are diverse and intricate. Our cognitive skills are unmatched. We can think, reason, and make decisions based on complex and abstract concepts. We possess emotional intelligence, allowing us to empathize, understand, and react to the feelings of others. We are creative, capable of producing art, music, and literature that convey deep emotions and ideas. Additionally, we have physical dexterity, enabling us to perform tasks that require fine motor skills. However, humans are not without weaknesses. Our physical abilities are limited. We tire, we age, and we're prone to illnesses. Our cognitive abilities, while impressive, are not infallible. We make mistakes, we forget, and our decision-making can be influenced by emotions and biases. Now, shift the focus to artificial intelligence. AI excels in areas where humans may falter. AI can process vast amounts of data at incredible speeds. It can perform repetitive tasks tirelessly and without errors. AI doesn't age or get sick, and it can work around the clock. It's unbiased, making decisions based on data and algorithms, not emotions. But AI also has its limitations. Despite advances in technology, AI still struggles with tasks that require fine motor skills and physical dexterity. AI lacks emotional intelligence. It can't understand or empathize with human emotions. It can't create art, music, or literature that genuinely reflects human experiences. So, could robots and AI replace humans in the future? Well, while AI surpasses humans in data processing and repetitive tasks, it lacks the emotional intelligence and creativity inherent to the human experience. It's unlikely that AI will fully replace humans, but rather it will continue to augment and enhance our capabilities. In conclusion, humans and AI have their own unique strengths and weaknesses. Humans excel in creativity, emotional intelligence, and tasks requiring fine motor skills. However, they are limited by physical constraints and cognitive fallibility. AI, on the other hand, excels in data processing and repetitive tasks, but lacks emotional intelligence and creativity. The future likely holds a symbiosis of humans and AI, each complementing the other's strengths and compensating for their weaknesses.